So today we're going to learn how to go from this to this. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome to today's Adobe After Effects tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to do a simple chroma key. What is chroma key? Chroma key can also be called green screen key. It is actually the process of replacing background color of a video with another desired background to make videos more appealing. Sometimes you might be watching chroma key on your TV screen without even realizing it if done properly, and that is what we're going to learn today, how to properly chroma key without any distractions. Today we're going to use After Effects for this tutorial. There are other softwares you can use for chroma keying, but I find it very comfortable and convenient to use the After Effect. So we're going to begin by opening the layout of After Effect. Now once you open the layout, you see all of these sections. If you're not conversant with this layout, you can drop your questions in the comment box, and I promise you I am going to do a tutorial on the After Effects layout. Without further ado, let us begin. We'll go to File, click on Import, and import our footages. For me, I kept it on the desktop. So once you get your files, open it. It could be multiple files. However you have decided to bring it in, you can decide to bring it one after the other. I've decided to bring it all at once. So click on File, Import, and bring in your footages. Now this is a musical I shot for a client. Permit me to say that your lighting is very important, because your final work is as good as your starting point. So make sure when shooting a chroma key, make sure your light is even. Make sure the background material you're going to use is well stretched so as to avoid any wrinkles, because if there are wrinkles in the materials, you have a problem keying it out. Click on Effect, scroll down and click on Keying. Now we're looking for an effect called Key Light 1.2. Now the Key Light 1.2 is the tool we're going to use to do this magic. Now once you get the key light applied on your footage, make sure your footage is selected. Now after applying the key light on our footage, the next thing to do is go to the screen pre-blow and set it to 2.5. 2.5 works for me. Go to the screen color and pick on the pen you're seeing there. Pick on that pen you're seeing there to select your color. It's actually a selector. So click on that color selector to select your color. Now in this, we're going to select the green at the back of our character, even though the whole background is green, but make sure to select the color that is closer to him, that green color closer to him. It is very important to do that. Now once that color is selected, boom, you can see what has happened. You can see that we're able to remove the green at the background with just one click. But this is not to say that the work is done. There are other things to do. It is not yet as clean as it should be, even though it looks okay. To make it more appealing, we're going to do some more settings. Now go to View, click on View, now scroll down to Screen Matte. Now we want to tweak with these settings to make sure that black is black and white is white. As you can see, the white is not completely white, so we need to set it. So we go to the screen matte, click on it. Now you can see clip black and clip white. That is where we're going to do the settings. Now for the clip black, I want to make it 4.0, and for the clip white, I want to make it 94.0. Now that works for me. Now it is not yet over, we still have some more settings to do. Now let's go back and take it to the final result and see what we have. Boom, you can see it is coming to life gradually. We go to the screen shrink or grow and set it to -0.5 to shrink our image a little bit. Let's change our replace method color to hard light. Click on the replace color. We're looking for a grayish green. Now let's import our background. I have my background on the desktop. Now once you bring in your background, make sure your background is below your main footage, because now we are superimposing our main footage on the background, so the background has to be under. As you can see, the image is not as large as our main footage, so you can click on this edge and drag it, or you can right click the image, scroll down to transform and click on fit to comp. It will automatically scale the image for you, and there you have it. You can add sound to it, you can add write-ups to it, depending on what you truly want to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that each time we come up with new and interesting tutorials, you will be the first to know. If you have any questions, please drop it on the comment box, and I promise you we're going to do justice to it. Thank you very much for staying with us. See you next time in our next tutorials. Bye.